travelers, I'm Kimi.
And I'm Kari, and come with us to Ireland.
Let's go. We're in the Atlanta airport, and we are doing our connecting flight to Dublin. Here we go. Alright, we've landed in Dublin and we're making our way to the bus. Alright, so we just walked through the tunnel and down this escalator here. Well, Kari didn't wait for us. She went and said, I'm gonna film, and then she disappeared, and I went all the way around to the bathroom. Well, that's the escalator you go down. I bet she showed it. We lost each other. Alright, so we just rode the Dublin Express from the airport, and we just got off at Heuston Station. Okay, so we have made it from the airport. We took the Dublin Express bus, and now we made it to the Dublin Heuston train station here, and we are waiting for our train to go from Dublin to Cork. Alright, so let me explain the tickets real quick. So we did get this online before we left for our trip. We've got the Dublin Express bus. That was the bus that took us from the airport to the train station. And we've got a train ticket from the Dublin Heuston station to Cork, Kent. And that's where we're heading next. So we did print this out. When we got to the train station here, we did have to type in our collection number at the ticket booth, like right there. You type in your collection number, and it will print you out a paper ticket, and that's what you need to get on the train. There's one over there, and we actually did ours around the corner there. There's one there. There's a couple little shops and food in here while you're waiting for the train. We're just waiting to see which platform we're on to know which train we get onto. We just have to keep checking the board. Our train's not till 3 o'clock. And we are here, it's like 11:45, so we do have some time here. We're trying to give ourselves time just in case anything happened, which was good because our plane was actually about an hour delayed, so we got in a little bit later than we thought we would, but that's okay. That's what today was for. We have some time just in case something happened. And we got our tickets on that Irish rail. Let me see if I can zoom in. Okay, so that's where we went to online, and maybe I can put it in how we did it. But if you have any questions, just comment down below and we'll try to help you best we can. Over here to the right hand side, there's an information booth if you need any help. If you do buy a flexible ticket and you need to change your ticket time, they did tell us that once you print your ticket, it is final. So if you need any help, go there first and then you can come get your ticket. But there is the information booth right there. Looking for carriage D, as in DJ. We're on carriage B. Here's carriage C. It's a bit shaky. I'm a little cold. Oh no, DJ, that's the wrong carriage. No. Oh, carriage D. Here we are. It says up on there. We're leaving Dublin Station, going to Cork, Kent. We've got ourselves a table right here. And the train also has a plug if you need it. They do have a trolley on board, snacks if you need it. So they did come around and stamped our little ticket. We're very tired. It's been a long 2 days of travel, and we still have another hour and a half to go. And so we are about an hour and 45 minutes away from Cork, and our train has broken down. We are all very tired. We've been on the go and traveling for 2 days now, but we're just stopped right now and we'll see what happens next. To be continued. Okay, so it's been about 25 minutes and we're moving. We just got off the train at Cork to the hotel. This is a shot of our hotel. That's right there. Just want to give you a view from across the street so you know what you're looking for if you come to this hotel. And this is across the river there. Okay, we've made it to our hotel here in Cork. Alright, so this is the lobby of the Maldron. When you come in, up the stairs is reception, and then behind that is the elevators, and there's some little restaurants on the side. All right, this is our room here at the Maldron Hotel, 703. So let me give you a little room tour. You do need a card to put in the slot right here to make the electricity work, so we just have our room key in there right now. Over here to the left we have our bathroom. Here's our shower. Right there, get a nice rain head shower and some shampoo and soap. This is the sink and the toilet. A nice lidded mirror right there. Cups of water, tissues, toilet paper, all that good stuff. Trash can down there. And next to the toilet there's some more towels right there and hooks behind the door. Okay. Over here we have this little closet area with extra linens, towels, a safe right here. We've got the hangers, iron and ironing board, and then room for your luggage, so don't mind our stuff right there. Over here to the right we have a full-length mirror. I'm guessing this is just the connecting door if you need it for another room, but we don't need that. We've got the TV right here with a nice little desk area and a drawer. And you got your hair dryer in there. Comes with a little coffee station and some cups. Some plugs down there, important. Trash can. Some more plugs right here. Alright, I'm going to turn around to the left here. And these are the beds. We've got a double bed and a twin bed. Very nice headboard. Right there. Love the colors. It's very nice in here. Got some lamps over on the side table, and of course more plugs. Always good to have, especially when traveling, to charge everything. We've got a phone right there, some paper, you know, more lights, little cubby hole there, and there's the twin size bed. We've got a little table over here with a little welcome note. Really big windows. This window I believe opens up into the city. This is our view out the window, and some more plugs right there. I don't think there's any storage under the beds. Nope. So there's no storage under the beds for any luggage or suitcases. Next to the bed here is an air conditioner, so you can control the air. Not all European hotels we know can do that, so very good points for that. And right by the door right here, there's also some hooks. I forgot to show that. These are the plugs that we have for the hotel. We just got them off of Amazon to be adapters for Ireland. It's the same ones we used for the UK. Here's a nice wide view of the room. And now we're gonna go find some dinner. Alright, we just found a quick McDonald's here. Something about McDonald's in other countries, you just gotta try them. Alright, I got the McCrispy chicken. DJ got another chicken sandwich. Had a quarter pounder with cheese. Yes. Chicken.
I need a cup though. This is a medium.
Medium.
This is a large.
Large, no refills. Cheers.
We're trying the difference.
Oh. Alright, time to eat. We're hungry. Okay, so we're just getting ready to leave the hotel, but we wanted to do a quick hotel review after staying in it a couple nights. Cushy beds. 2 thumbs up.
Yeah.
Very, very cushy
Like
beds.
Disney Cruise Line level cushy bed.
Yeah.
It was great.
Very cushy beds. The bathroom, we just wanted to say about the shower. Was fine. It's just we're not used to like the door. There's nothing there to block the water. It's just on the one side, so it was a little different. But that's okay. It still worked. And over here above the toilet, we have trash bags, which I don't think I pointed out in our room tour video earlier. But other than that,
2 thumbs. 5
Yes.
stars.
yes.
Would stay again.
Oh, and the towels. The towels were bigger than a normal towel that you'd probably see or get at a hotel. So that was good too.
All right, everybody, thanks so much for joining us. It's on our very busy 2 days of travel here to Ireland, but be sure to stay tuned for more Ireland adventures. We've been up since 6 a.m. yesterday, and it's 8 p.m. Dublin time the next day. Okay, goodbye. I'm going to finish my McDonald's French fries and take a shower. Freaking will be bye. Alright everybody, that does it for today's video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, travelers! Come back next week for more Ireland. Blarney Castle.